Okay, so let's talk about an update on the Bitcoin chart, whether we need to buy right now and some altcoins too. Okay, so let's go straight to the BTC chart. Okay, so right now, BTC is around 26,700 day at that price. So right now it broke this resistance over here, then it broke this one, and right now it broke this also at 26,658 day. It broke that resistance, went around up, right? So right now it needs to break this resistance, you can see at around 26,000. You can see the small resistance, right? It needs to break that resistance. More probably it's going to break that resistance and also go to 27,474. Okay, so more likely we're going to break that and it's going to go up. Okay, so as of now, once Bitcoin dips around here to 26,658, that's the best time if you're bullish to buy on the altcoins. Okay, so that's for BTC update. Now let's take all this info that Bitcoin's going up. It's a confirmed buy since it broke this resistance too and this one too, right? So right now let's take this data and go into the altcoins. Okay, so the next chart, let's go into Ethereum chart. Okay, so for Ethereum chart, your Ethereum chart is right here at around 1,847. If you see, your Ethereum was just ranging from here from 1,847 to 1,769, right? So if you see, if Bitcoin pumps, which more likely going to pump, your Ethereum is going to break this. It's going to break this, and once it breaks it as support, there only will enter. Okay, so till now your Ethereum chart doesn't look like good to enter, because then from here we can buy it, and once it makes support, and we can sell it around 1,921. So till now would not be a good entry to buy your Ethereum, because it can just dangle here only, right? Can just dangle here only till BTC pumps. Okay, so once it breaks this, makes support, then only will enter Ethereum chart. Okay, so till now we just wait and watch since it's right here. Okay, but if your Bitcoin dumps, then we can short this. Okay, so till now there's no short, but we'll just wait and watch. Okay, so now let's talk about your next one, which is your avax. Okay, so your avax has a good entry. Okay, so once your avax breaks this, makes support, then we'll enter into our avax right here. Okay, since Bitcoin is also going up, right? We'll enter avax and we'll put around $15.32 at take profit. Okay, so till now, if you want to enter, you're fully bullish, right? You can still enter there. Okay, so right now Bitcoin is taking a dip, right, to 26,000. There's 650 support, right? So if you go on a 30 minutes, you'll see that this too is dipping. Right now it's dipping. Okay, so I'll just remove this thing. Right now it's dipping. Okay, so right now would be a, it's on a 30 minutes. Right now would be a good entry to be buying in. Since Bitcoin is dipping, and put a stop loss below this. Okay, so that's for your AVAX chart, and you'll know the take profits for AVAX, right? Around $15.32. If you want to confirm buy, just wait for it to break and make a support. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Solana chart. Okay, so for Solana chart, we know if yesterday were there, you'll know once it broke this, made a support, we entered in, we put a stop loss below this one, right? So as of now, we are going to ride it all the way to $21.29 your Solana. Okay, so if you all want to enter, just wait for on the 30 minutes. You'll check your 30 minutes. You'll check on when it small dip, right, on a 30 minutes. So right now you can see if it comes on this support right here, you all can enter. If you all didn't enter, okay, so I can enter it right here. Once it comes here, I can enter and put a stop loss below this. Okay, so that's for your Solana chart, and we put our take profits to around your $21.29. Okay, so this is, now let's talk about your next chart, which is your dot chart. Okay, so your dot chart is on a perfect entry. Okay, so let's go on a 30 minutes and see this one also. So your dot chart is right here. Okay, so as of now, once dot reaches here, see your dot broke this, right? Once your dot reaches exactly here, dot exactly, you can see at around, yeah, on this support at around here on a 30 minutes you can check at around $5.25. You can put a long entry and put your stop loss anywhere below. Okay, and y'all can ride it all the way to low to $5.48. Okay, so you can ride your dot from there to there. Okay, so now let's talk about your next one, which is your ADA chart. Okay, so for your ADA right now, ADA also went too much up. Okay, so right now if you see on a 30 minutes, we'll go on a one and see first. We'll check how it is. So on a one, it's like this. Let's go on a 30 minutes. Okay, so we'll go on a 1 only since that it's pumped too much, right? Okay, so right now for your 1 hour, it's giving a higher low. Okay, so we'll just wait to, okay, so we'll just wait and just wait for this to, if you see another candle like this, a small wick, right? See another candle, it goes up like this, and more probably it's going to break this. Once it makes a support, you can see you don't need to enter here, you can enter it here only and put a stop loss right here. Okay, and you can ride your ADA to around 0.37 cents, the same as others. Okay, but ADA just gone a little bit up, right? So I can put it there if you're entering. Take any one chart, don't take all the chart. Okay, so till now we'll just wait for a small wick and a small pullback, and you see that small wick on a 30 minutes, you'll see that small sell and then a minute buy, then we buy it and we sell it right here at around 0.37 cents. Okay, so now let's talk about your next one, which is your algo. Okay, so if you're bullish on algo, you'll know algo is just like a free fall, right? It's just falling from when, and the lowest that is ever gone is around 0.9 cents is the lowest that is ever gone. Okay, so here somewhere. So if you all are bullish on algo, and right now Bitcoin is also bullish, you can put an entry right here. Okay, so right now it broke this resistance, you can see it broke this, it's making a support. So right now once it makes support, you can buy it, you can ride it all the way to here around 0.16 cents. Okay, so yeah, I'll go. Okay, so now let's talk about your next one, which is near. Okay, so for near also you can buy it. Okay, so you can go on 30 minutes and check. Okay, so right now, yep, right now would also be a good entry to be buying it. Okay, since it's here, put a small trend line right here. So love buying it. Yeah, so right now even if you are buying, put it properly here. So if you are buying it right now for your near, this entry would be a good entry to be buying. Okay, so putting your right here at this support, okay, and putting a stop loss right here, and you'll ride it all the way to, you'll know, to the normal one, where to around $1.71 for your near chart. Okay, so now let's talk about your next and your last chart. Okay, so and last chart is phantom. Okay, so phantom is not moving that much. Okay, and it's not even breaking this resistance, so longing a phantom won't be a good thing. Okay, so we just need to wait and watch, okay, till where phantom, even if it's going down, because it needs to break this resistance, make it as support, and then it needs to go up, right? But it's not doing that, it's like going down, it's kind of breaking the support and it's kind of going down. Okay, so we'll watch on that. Okay, so till now bits is bullish, we don't need to short it. Okay, so that's my phantom chart. Now let's go into your crypto trends, which some of y'all like to come over here for crypto trends. So AGI is pumping, then Kavya is pumping. There's not that much pumping, but let's see on the yesterday's things, okay, what we are watching. Okay, so the first one will be render. Okay, so render, right now we see render is a good chart to kind of short when Bitcoin goes down. Okay, so remember, when Bitcoin is going at its high, we need to keep this as a short. Till now it's not a good entry to be shorting, right? So right now it's giving this. Okay, so see, it did this, it touched this resistance. Right now we it is here only, we need it to go down and we need to give a second touch. Okay, so once it gives a second touch, which is right here, so it touched one time, now we need to wait for it a small dump again, and a second touch is there where we enter a short. Okay, and we ride it all the way down. Okay, for your render chart. Okay, so now let's go into your next one, which is neo. Okay, so for neo, for NEO also we need to enter short. Okay, that's once BTC is dumping. Okay, so till now we don't enter. Okay, the message just came, just forget about the message, but here's the short on NEO. Okay, so till now you'll see it on a 30-minute time frame. Okay, for NEO. Okay, so once BTC also starts dumping, right, your NEO will dump very hard. Okay, so right now it's hitting this, it's behaving this as resistance, it's giving a higher low. Okay, so we need to short. Okay, so but once Bitcoin starts dumping, right, once Bitcoin is on, now Bitcoin is upwards trend, so we don't short. Okay, so we wait till Bitcoin is dumping and then we check into this NEO chart and we short it. Okay, so till now it's making a higher low. Once the NEO starts giving that high, which it gave high low, once Bitcoin does, we shorted. Okay, so for NEO we shorted all the way to $9.09. Okay, so we wait for Bitcoin's thing to start dumping, then we short this one. It's like confirm short. Okay, for CFX, okay, so if you all want the CFX, once it makes this a higher high and the next high low, will long it. Okay, so till now it's not doing anything. This is only behaving as a resistance, this small thing. Once it breaks that, makes a high high, and the next higher high, we can long it. Okay, so that's for your crypto trends. Now let's go straight to your crypto news. Okay, so the exciting news today. Okay, so Uniswap v3 explores expansion to a new layer 1. Okay, so as you know, Uniswap being the OG, the old generation of the dexes, right, on the exchange, Uniswap, it's v3. It's trying to expand on a new layer 1, on a new layer 1 blockchain. Okay, so what this new thing will do, it will attract more users and liquidity to the Uniswap. Okay, so which will potentially increase the price of Uniswap. Okay, so as of now Uniswap is around here, you can see, right, Uniswap is here, it's at so lows. Okay, so maybe this it's not that much impact, but you can see the price, it's right here. Okay, so when Uniswap goes on a new layer 1, right, there's more liquidity and there's more users, so the price of Uniswap can pump. Okay, so till now they have not gone to the new layer 1, but they are exploring which new layer 1 they're going to go. Okay, so now let's talk about your next one. Okay, so Nike's OF1 NFT sales surpasses 1 million despite delay in tech issues. Okay, so if you all know, there was a delay in the technical issues during the sale. Okay, so but they generated $1 million, though there was a technical issue. Okay, so if you all are wondering what's the NFT, it's here. Okay, so the NFT was around, they had 31 and the price was around $19. Okay, so it's not that high. Okay, so the AF1 NFT. Okay, here's the swish. Okay, so here's the NFT, how it looks. It looks kind of cool, right, this NFT. Okay, so that's it for your crypto news. Okay, so if you like content like this, just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, ping the notification bell on so you don't miss content like this and you're early to watch. Okay, so peace out.